Good day and welcome to ThreadFlow Tutorials. In this video today, I'll be teaching you how to reduce the noise of your audio in a video using Capcut. So how do you do that? You upload your video to Capcut, then you click on this part. After clicking on it, go and look for where you will see extract audio. Can we see this? Extract audio. Then you click on it. It will take few seconds. The audio will be extracted. Let's wait for it to extract the audio. Now see, the audio has been extracted. So the next thing you need to do is click on the audio itself and then you go to reduce noise. Can you see this? Reduce noise. Then you click on it. So just check this. The noise will be reduced. Then in this video today, I'll be showing you how you can get. Okay, so that is it. The noise has been reduced like that. It's going to sound different from when the background noises are there. So that will be all for now.